Welcome to the JWK show. We talk about crypto and we keep things short and concise. Take advantage of our campaign with our sponsor, crypto exchange BITUNIX. The link is in the description below. We essentially have a 20% cashback on your deposits. Guys, 20% more free money. Now, this is one of the most insane connections I've ever seen with Elon Musk in BG123. We can see we have Elon Musk with his shirt. We have perseverance. And where else have we heard that word? Well, from BG123. And keep in mind, Elon Musk could have worn any single shirt in the world, but he literally wears a shirt called Perseverance, which is connected with the XRP insiders. We have patience and perseverance have a magical effect before which difficulties disappear and obstacles vanish. JQA, and this was back on 2024, May 20th. So this was a recent event. So we know that Elon Musk is holding millions of XRP. We have Elon Musk also making a major reference to XRP overtaking Bitcoin through the Lord of the Rings tweets. So guys, at this point, even though this is mind-blowing, this is not a surprise. And we even have connections coming in with Gary Gensler as well. We can see from Bloomberg, 1% media outlets, Gary Gensler says, crypto investors should embrace SEC regulation. This was back in 2022. And he also, randomly, they added loves climbing mountains, right? So this is also connected to the BG123 photo with the three mountains. So it begins. We also have from reverse BG123 the word persevere. And August 1st is National Mountain Climbing Day. So overall, insane connections. And when we see something big happening on August 1st from BG123, we have the sun shining during May.
Gotcha,
and
Jody. I want to put one to you.
Acquisition of Medico, we have Ripple's customer base increasing by 200%. Let's take a look at this, guys. Absolutely exponential growth happening for Ripple, which is great to see. The more customers, the more people using XRP, the higher the price of XRP.
Gotcha, Jody. I want to throw this one to you.
This is from CoinDesk.
Kind of want to talk. I mean, I think it's interesting we're having this conversation now. You guys, as a company, made a ton of investments on the M&A side when we talk about custody back in 2023, I believe, and now we're really seeing those things bear fruit. So I wanted to ask you specifically about sort of the M&A environment around custody and sort of the strategic roadmap that you're building as you seek to court more customers this year and next. Any thoughts on how those acquisitions have played into your strategy?
Yeah, definitely. So back in 2023, we acquired a Swiss-based custody provider, Medico, right? Recognizing that self-custody will be critical, right? Just not for safely holding digital assets today, but for enabling new and emerging use cases in the future. So after acquiring them, we put in 2 more years of development, and the solution now is Ripple Custody. And you know, since acquisition, our customer base has grown more than 200%. It's now trusted by leading institutions globally that want to participate in this tokenized economy. And then custody is really just one piece of our kind of broader infrastructure strategy, right? We're continuing to innovate, continue to evolve our product suite to offer a one-stop shop for institutions to tokenize, store, exchange, and move value across a number of...
Right, major confirmation of Ripple becoming a one-stop shop for institutions to tokenize. Confirmation from the managing director for North America. We have Joanny Z.
Core product categories. Just for those who might not be familiar, outside of custody, we do have our own, USD-backed stablecoin called RLUSD. We have our, well-known payments products called Ripple Payments Direct. And those are all the building blocks for us to become that ultimate one-stop shop for institutions to tokenize. We'll continue to be active in the M&A space. We'll continue to identify, strategic investments that could, add on to our overall product offering and provide more value to our financial institutional clients.
Big stuff. And we can see we have Ripple now offering custody, prime broker, US digital dollar through their RLUSD, prime broker through Hidden Road. We have many different money transmitter licenses, and we have XRP all putting this together. We have each of these products using XRP. And we have more massive confirmation of a XRP backed stablecoin we have from Phil Kwan. I've been thinking a stablecoin but backed by XRP, the hardest money ever known, right? XRP has unlimited liquidity, which means that the stablecoin theoretically will also have unlimited liquidity as well, which means it is not a scam, unlike Tether USDT, as they're not backed one-to-one. And we have from Hugo Fillion, yes, it's already being built on Flare. Delighted to talk with you about it. So guys, we have another major confirmation from Hugo Fillion, I believe CEO of Flare, and he says an XRP backed stablecoin. That just sounds absolutely crazy, and this means more people using XRP. And we have breaking news in Japan as well. We have Ripple and MUFG. We can see we have MUFG, Japan's largest bank to tokenize real estate for retail and institutional investors. And keep in mind, we have the three of the largest Japanese banks using Ripple. We have Sumitomo Mitsui, Bacon Corporation, MUFG, and Mizuho, right? So guys, real estate market is a massive, massive market, a multi-trillion-dollar market. And with MUFG tokenizing their real estate with XRP, this means a extremely high XRP price points, multi-trillions of dollars in market cap. And as SBI CEO has said, we have a $10 XRP happening this year with the Japanese banking system adopting XRP. So guys, with that being said, I'm extremely confident of a $10 XRP this year. And we do have Japan just tokenizing a $100 billion skyscraper in Osaka on the blockchain. And if this value moves through smart contracts, it is settling on Ripple, right? We have, again, Japan adopting XRP this year, confirmed by SBI CEO. And guys, this is just the very beginning of the tokenization of real estate, helping XRP reach the double-digit price point. And we can see we have the tokenization boom ahead. We expect the trend towards asset tokenization to accelerate in 2025, happening right now as we speak, especially in Japan. And we anticipate that 2025 will mark the year that a regulatory framework for tokenized securities will be established. We have the Genius Act already in, and now we're waiting for the Clarity Act. Guys, we have crypto regulations coming in, a proper regulatory framework for cryptocurrencies. That's it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.